Step 1. Install EasyOS partition software. Before the installation, you need to disable your antivirus and internet connection. (64-bit) users use this file to register your software. 32-bit users use this file to register your software. Finally, copy the crack file. (50 gigabytes space send from F disk to C disk). Move the slider from left to right for create free space. Select C disk to add 50 gigabytes space. Move the slider in towards right for add free space. Wait for some time, until finish the process. 50 gigabytes space was successfully added to C disk. If you like this video, subscribe our channel.